Naling ko, hindi ako i-video na lang. Sige.
Grabing kamot. Ganda kay Drew. Pinsan gid man sila ni Drew. Oh. Ang pinsan ka mo ni Drew ba?
I don't know. I'm not in the mood.
What's the matter, Ben?
Nothing.
Come on, Ben.
Hmm.
Tell me what's the matter.
Today I saw a very
Baby,
big
lakaran
animal.
mo.
Wow, which animal?
Bim, it's a magnificent animal. The most beautiful animal in the world.
The most beautiful?
That's right.
What does it look like?
It's white.
As white as snow?
Yes, as white as snow. It has wide wings
Wow.
and a yellow beak.
Kapangawit.
Pretty, with a black tip.
Kapangawit niya po.
Yes,
What's this animal called?
a swan.
Kapangawit niya po.
Swan.
Nakuha niya kaya pumangawit doon.
Swan.
Totoo yun na. Tulog na gina siya pumangawit pa.
A
A
swan.
swan.
Kabala, sila ka lang yung pala.
Ang kamot niya. Wala na ka. 8 minutes na lang. Naubo.
Wow, Ben. You were right. The swan is a beautiful bird.
There are white swans and black swans.
Kasi yung may best part
It seems as though these swans are dancing in the water.
Yes, they are swaying their heads together.
Balik ko na siya. Tama na.